Budget 2012 has ensured that Harish Salve will have to sweat it out a little more to ensure that his client Vodafone doesn't cough up the 11,000 crore rupee tax bill. The retrospective changes to tax laws may nullify the Supreme Court order that ruled against the tax department. Vodafone and other aggrieved parties are bound to challenge this move. So what's at stake?
Whether this amendment is excessive and unreasonable, considering the litigation and considering the judgment of the Supreme Court and the burden that it will impose on assessees.
Senior tax lawyer Dinesh Vyas believes the government has crossed the line and that Vodafone is on a strong footing legally.
This particular case is an example of constitutional indiscipline. Everything that is legal is not necessarily reasonable. Everything that is legal is not necessarily in public interest. And it is on these grounds, it is on these arguments that the Vodafone has a very strong case to challenge the constitutional validity.
That's not all. Vodafone can also rely on past Supreme Court orders to protect itself from the retrospective amendments.
Karnataka tried to change the law in the Cauvery water issue. The court has said it cannot affect the judgment in question, because under Article 141 that judgment is binding and it will be equally binding on the Finance Ministry or the persons who are trying to change the law. So to that extent, I think it may be very difficult for them to try and go after the assessee itself, namely Vodafone.
This battle is no longer just about Vodafone and the IT department. It could well end up as a battle between the executive and the judiciary. Ashwin Mohan, ET Now, Mumbai.